Welcome back to Overheat. The 2026 Lamborghini Motorhome is a car that blends elegance and performance. Outside, Futuristic Design Lines, the body will be adorned with lines, aerodynamic sculptures, and sharp angles. Exotic materials, lightweight carbon fiber, and other state-of-the-art composites are likely to be used to make the body panels more stiff and lighter. Signature LED lighting. The headlights and taillights will have a Y-shaped appearance. Big wheels, massive forged alloy wheels with elaborate designs. Panoramic windows. Although seclusion is preserved, there will be large windows. Interior, driving cockpit design. The steering portion will be a control center that resembles a fighter jet's cockpit. The steering wheel is coated in Alcantara leather and has paddle shifters and a large digital display. Premium interior materials. The cabin's primary components will be billet aluminum, matte carbon fiber, Alcantara, and premium Nappa leather. Kitchen, induction stove, tiny fridge, microwave, a combi oven, and built-in espresso coffee machine. A comfortable king-size bed in a luxurious master bedroom. Advanced technology. Every motorhome function will be controlled by a central touch panel or smartphone app. Smart storage system. Clever storage will be placed in every available area. Powertrain. It will most likely have a powerful plug-in hybrid drivetrain, possibly combining a V8 twin-turbo engine with an electric motor that has been properly tuned. Adaptive suspension system. The highly adjustable adaptive air suspension will provide outstanding ride comfort on a variety of road surfaces. All-wheel drive AWD system. The state-of-the-art AWD system will ensure the best traction and stability in a variety of weather conditions. Advanced driver assistance features. Among other advanced driver assistance features, it will have adaptive cruise control, automated parking, lane keeping assistance, and a 360-degree video system for more seamless navigation. Lightweight chassis. The body and chassis are made of lightweight materials.